In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a REDCap database. Now, the first thing you have to do is get the access to an account. So go to their website and get your account set up. It's not that hard. You can do it quite easily in just a few minutes. And then whenever you do this, you'll get the access to your username and password, so the login credentials, which you can then type in, and then you'll see this dashboard over here, okay? So inside here, to actually create a database, technically it's called a project. So up top, you have My Projects and then New Project. You can just go ahead and click on New Project, and then from here you'll be able to create a new one. So first you have to give it a project title. I'm just going to name this one Tutorial Project, like this, and then you have the project's purpose, okay? So this is basically how it will be used. You can click on here and you have a bunch of different ones. You have practice or just for fun, which I'm going to do right now, but you could also do operational support, research, quality improvement, or other, okay? So if you have any other, you'll have to specify over here as well, but if not, it's just the click of the button and then you're good to go. Then you also have these optional project notes over here where you basically can describe your project's purpose, and this will be also displayed on the My Projects page as it says over here. And then last but not least, here you have an option to basically select how you want to create it. So you can start from blank, so you can do an empty project. You can enter a project migration key, so if you have that, you can do that over here. You can upload a REDCap project XML file if you have it, or you could go ahead and use a template, which you can choose down here below, okay? Completely up to you. And for example, if you're creating a database, you could go and maybe use like a template for this classic database over here. So as you can see, it contains 6 data entry forms, including forms for demography and baseline data, etc. Okay, so you could use this or any other ones. There's a bunch of different ones over here. Now, of course, if you don't want to do that, you could do empty project as well, but I'm just going to select classic database and I'm going to click on create project. Whenever you do this, it's going to start working on it, and then within just a few seconds, there we go. As you can see, your REDCap project has been created and is ready to be accessed, and there we go. This is basically your project and your database as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.